Ruben has announced that he is going to be taking me on a surprise trip. Am I nervous? Yes. Am I a control freak? Yes. Do I really like surprises? Not really, but probably yes. All I know is that we're going to be going east. It's going to be about an hour drive on the scooter. It's going to be a nice experience. And that I know nothing. That's all. So, fingers crossed.
You and I are gonna have a little moment. Hi guys, how is it going? So this is a little bit stressful because we cannot talk right now about what is happening. No. We are going diving, guys. So it's a little bit difficult right now because we're going diving and the conditions are not the absolute best right now. By the way, hello, I'm Ruben. I'm in contact with the people trying to see what's going on later on. So I'm in contact with the diving center right now and they are telling me all the time how the sea is getting better. This is the first time that she's actually gonna go diving. So excited.
Okay, as we're making our way east, we have made it to our first stop, which is a lovely beach where we're gonna have lunch. Wow. This is Unawatuna Beach? Unawatuna Beach. I have no idea where this is on the map because I don't know how far we are away from Meligama. But man, that's so beautiful. Oh, I love it! I love it, I love it, I love it. We've arrived at the restaurant. We just ordered our food. I think we're gonna go have a little swim in a bit. But this is so tropical, man. Like, it's the first day of absolute great weather that we've had so far in Sri Lanka, and I'm so happy that we're actually going down to the beach, having a watermelon juice, sitting under some palm trees. I mean, what more can a girl ask for? So I see Ruben in the background talking on his phone, which makes me a little bit nervous. I still have no idea what is going on, and I'm going in between being excited and freaking out. He did ask me one question, and that is, are you good at climbing, or do you like climbing? Which I'm like, holy shit, man, why do I need to climb?
Are you sure it's nice?
Oh, nice. What? We're swimming. It's watermelon. And it's fresh.
So here's the situation, guys. We have a little bit of current underwater and it's a little bit cloudy. So we have like perhaps visibility of like 4 meters. I'm in contact all the time with the scuba diving center and they are saying that like perhaps it's gonna get a little bit better in the next hour. So we just need to kill some time right now and probably I will tell her so she can decide if we want to do this or she wants to have the first experience another time. But it's gonna be a blast. I'm so excited for this. So why do you think this actual gentleman, Ráchelle, is next to us?
Huh? I don't know.
Because if you look back where we are right now, what you're doing today is your first scuba diving lesson.
No. What? No. What?
Yay!
No. Really?
All right.
What is going on?
Let me put you out in touch into what is happening right now.
But
So-
you said climbing, and we were going to go.
I had to give you 70 different things to put you off so you don't figure it out that we were going to do this. So the circumstance, what I wanted to tell you right now is because what you're doing right now is called DSD, which is Discover Scuba Diving.
That's so exciting, man. Wow, that's not what I was expecting from the surprise at all. I thought we were gonna go to like a fort in Gao or something.
Nah, this is much better. I'm an animal like this.
I don't even know what to say because I really thought that we were just coming here to have like lunch and then we were gonna go up to Gao, and now I'm getting in the ocean. Oh man, this is so freaking exciting. I can't even speak anymore. Oh my word, I am so highly surprised about what is going on, because Ruben played this off so smoothly. I really thought that we were going back to the motorbike and that we could just like, because he wanted to tell me what was going to be going on. And I was like, yeah, we can just do that at the motorbike, it's fine. And then we stopped, and then this guy came to us and he was like, why is this guy here? And I'm like, I don't know. Anyways, earlier this year I made a vision board, and one of the only things that has not happened for my vision board was to go diving. And now before the year ends, I'm gonna go diving, and I am so looking forward to this because we're gonna be going into shipwrecks apparently and stuff like this. It's a discovery dive. I have never had somebody do something like this for me, so I'm feeling extremely special, man. Like, I am so grateful. How did you have to plan and arrange this?
Oh man, it was very easy. Like,
easy.
it was so easy. You generally think that you're much more difficult to catch up, but it was very easy. I wanted to do it, and I thought like Ráchelle has never dived before, and I feel like we had such a bad weather and such a like bad luck with the activities that we've been doing lately, that I thought like this is, you cannot go wrong with this, because if it rains, there's water. If there's no animals, there's water. Like, we can go on the water and it's so much fun. And I feel that's a first experience for a full day here. We have good weather, we can go swimming, we can do stuff. I think you are gonna have so much fun.
Well, there we go, briefing is done. Lots of information, so I'm glad I don't have to do everything independently just yet. But time to get changed into my wetsuit, and then we can go into the ocean. Big heavy. Like backpack, but like a very heavy one?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this feels a bit like my traveling bag, yeah, to be honest.
Hey.
Yeah, this is fine. Let's go.
Let's go. I have some diving.
Wow, I look so sexy. There we go, we're on the boat, we're on the water. It's tired, kind of feels real now. Okay, I've had my instructions out here in the shallows. Now we're heading off to where it's gonna get real. I'm a little bit nervous because I was saying to Ruben, I really have to trust myself and the people around me, also with the breathing and stuff. But I'm still very excited, and I already got the thing from the mask here. Strange to be back out in like the normal world. That was so strange, very cool. I didn't know how to control my body either. I was like, ah. Rock the boat, don't rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat, I'm hips and over.
Brace for impact!
Oh, we are back. I have my feet on the ground, but that was just so impressive. It takes a little bit of getting used to the feeling of having the air, you know, from the thing, because it feels a little bit different. So I was also feeling a bit nauseous coming back on the boat, But wow, that was so cool, man. I was not expecting to see the stingrays, the barracudas, the everything. And it's so nice to be there and sharing the experience with him and the two guys. They were really nice. In total we spent like 10 minutes, 41 minutes at 10 meters, so apparently that's really good. Anyways, I'm happy to be back on land. Oh, and be able to rinse off the salt a bit. Hello, are you gonna join us? Come on, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come
Help.
on. Help.
Help us, guys.
Help. Cheers me first. Hello. Cheers. That was such an amazing experience, and I'm so grateful for Ruben for taking me out on my first dive and sharing this experience with me, because he's actually a dive master, so he already has this great love for the ocean. In the diving sense, I already had the love for the ocean, but I'd never gone diving before, and this is really one of the greatest things that somebody has actually surprised me with. So all in all, it was such an amazing day. The water was murky, but you know what, it didn't take away from the fun. We got to see a lot of things, and yeah, I think that this was really awesome. Sri Lanka is known for great snorkeling and diving, so if you are interested in doing something like that while you're here, I would definitely look at your options. Unawatuna apparently is also a very great place where we went. So all in all, yeah, it's lovely. I had a great time as well. Guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed sharing the surprise with me. If you did, hit the like button. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.